In this video, you'll learn how to add photos to your listing on eBay. This process is essential for creating an appealing and informative listing that attracts potential buyers and increases your chances of making a sale. By following these steps, you will be able to enhance your product presentation effectively. Begin by navigating to the eBay website. Once you are on the home page, locate the My eBay option at the top right corner of the screen. Click on it to access your account details. If you are not already signed in, you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. Once you successfully sign in, you will see your account dashboard. Next, find the selling section on the left side of the dashboard. Click on listings to view your current listings. If you are creating a new listing, click on the Create Listing button, usually prominently displayed on the page. This action will take you to a new page where you can begin adding details about your item. After that, you will see various fields to fill in your product information. Look for the section labeled Photos. Here you will find an option to upload images. Click on the Add Photos button. A file selection dialog will appear, allowing you to browse through your computer files. Choose the images you want to upload. Be mindful of the file sizes, as larger files may take longer to upload depending on your internet speed. Once you have selected the images, they will begin to upload. You may see a progress indicator showing the upload status. After the images have been successfully uploaded, they will appear as thumbnails in the Photos section. You can rearrange the order of the photos by dragging and dropping them if necessary. Ensure that the primary photo is the most appealing one, as it will be the first image buyers see. Finally, review your listing to ensure that everything looks correct. Make sure the images are clear and accurately represent the item being sold. Once you are satisfied with the listing, scroll down and click the List Item button to publish your listing. This will make your item visible to potential buyers on eBay. Remember to monitor your listing and update photos as necessary to keep your item looking fresh and appealing. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.